Okay, so actually I can place my phone somewhere that works. This car is Michael's. It belongs to Amanda, Michael's wife. Michael's the guy I'm playing as. I have it decked out like Fast and Furious. Also can do this. Hardtop convertible, baby. That's freaking go. Anyways, on to the main attraction. Should I tilt this up a bit? There we go. In this garage, there should be 4 vehicles. Yep. Motorcycle. Just got this one. Just like 5 minutes ago. We got the Brawler. It's a freaking beast. We got tow truck and the pickup version. Yes, I'm aware. One's beat up and the other isn't. You can't change that part. You can't fix it, the beat up parts. Unfortunately. But I have them exactly like each other. The wheels are the exact same ones. Matte black on top on both of them. Glossy sunrise orange on the bottom. The beds are just a little different. Tow truck got, well, the bed's actually different. This one has like a drop and it's missing a tailgate. Well, it's not missing, it doesn't need one. This one, they're actually at an angle and they don't drop. And it has a tailgate. Also the lights on top of this one work. They work. This is a part of GTA 5. This is story mode. I never play online. No, I shall not be showing you how they drive. I can do that later, just not now, as I'm running errands in GTA 5. Peace.